guys. So, once again, I get all excited when I get into that barbecue mood, all right? So, there's so much going on at the Scalfani household. It's like, we got the new puppy who is napping right now. Oh, I think she just woke up. Anyway, better speak fast before she starts yelping. But anyway, so we got the new puppy. Her name is Hope. I showed her on earlier. I'll show you her throughout the show. But I showed you on an earlier video what she looked like. She's really cute, real little. If you follow me on social media, you've probably seen her picture. I'm crazy about her. But anyway, this is my favorite bottle right here. This is the the vinegar, water, and a little bit of baking soda is in here. And every time she makes a mess on the floor, we shoot it with that. And she comes running over and smells. She can smell the vinegar, and she starts sneezing. She has sneezing attacks. So anyway, so we use this for cleaning purposes. But anyway, Hope's getting her own shirt. I made one for Tammy, and she got jealous. She found out. So Hope's like, hey, what about me? So be looking for Hope's Cooking with Jack show shirt. Okay, we got that going on. And then Tammy already has her shirt up in the store. You should be able to see a merchandise shelf underneath each video I do. She's got her own where she's Superwoman because she's awesome. She is a Superwoman. It's really awesome. So Tammy has her own shirt. I mean, you don't have to buy my shirt with me on it. Buy the one with Tammy on it. Support her. Or if you like Hope and you like Beagles, and you could support her, and it doesn't matter. You may like them better than me anyway. But I'm still cooking. So anyway, enough with this. Hopefully I won't be needing that in the next few minutes. We're really excited. We are going to go use that new Orion smoker, the bullet smoker that I showed you guys already. I reviewed it. Well, now it's time to use it again. I got it all ready to be fired up. Come on in close. I'll show you what I got here, here, and here. I got everything ready. We're going to take it out there because I'm running late. It's already the afternoon, and I would like to have this ready for dinner. It's all defrosted. So come on in close, and I'll show you what we're doing. Okay, guys, let's talk about why I'm doing this video. We're trying out, so there's a seasoning, and I've seen it again and again on other YouTube shows. I've seen it on social media. I've had my friends recommend it. I've never been able to find it in stores. I didn't go to their website. I could have bought it just from their website, but I was looking like at Walmart, and I was looking at different places, but this is what it is. There's a guy, Dano. I don't know if it's a real person. I'm guessing it is. But it's Dano's seasoning. All right? And I literally looked and went for months looking for Dano's seasoning everywhere. And I couldn't find it. So one day on Instagram, I get notified by this company. They're like, hey, you want to, use our stuff on your show and all that? I'm like, yeah, I do. I've been trying to use your stuff. So the one that excites me the most, now they're low sodium, 0 calorie. This hot chipotle, this one excites me the most. They all excite me. I've heard they're all good. We're going to try them out on some ribs and some chicken. Okay? Oh, no. I'm sorry. We're going to try these. Dano's were making ribs. So we're going to have Dano ribs. Okay? And then I'm going to do something else with the chicken. So I'm really excited about these. This one is called the original. And this one is called Spicy, and this is the hot chipotle. So I'm pretty pumped. I'm going to put these on heavy, man. We're going to give this a good run, all right? So we're going to smoke these ribs I'm thinking it takes about 4 hours to smoke the ribs. Maybe I'll turn it up and cook it a little bit faster, but I think I'm just going to do low and slow today because I still got time, all right? So, Dano ribs coming up. Now, for the chicken, move that over here. Just to let you know, we're doing the best gourmet seasoning over taste. It's amazing on poultry. Turkey, chicken, quail, duck, everything. It's amazing. All right? So this is called the best gourmet seasoning over taste. And yes, you can go to thebestsauces.com and still get my sauces and still get my seasoning. Okay? But to add a little bit more to this bird than just this, because this doesn't have pepper, and this doesn't have citrus. This has everything else I love. Okay? So we're going to add lemon pepper. Yep, that's right. We got a bottle of lemon pepper. We're gonna add some of this to this on this. Oh my goodness! So you got, is your mouth watering? And then we're gonna hang them in the smoker because we got hooks. We got 10 hooks that came with the smoker that we can hang our meat in the smoker and cook it. So I'll take you outside. Let me get these seasoned up. I'll show you what it looks like, and then we're good to go. I'm telling you right now, there are different binders you can use. Some people use mayonnaise. Some people use olive oil. Some people use yellow mustard. I use yellow mustard on my ribs. Why? Because I like the flavor of yellow mustard, and it gives a hint on your ribs. It's kind of cool. So I'm going to, come on guys, get it all coated with some yellow mustard. Can't do too much mustard. This is how it's going to go down. I'm going to do the same on the other side. We're going to take the original DANO'S. All right. There we go. And then this one gets the hot. This is the other rack. I seasoned the other one, split it in half, use the original and the hot. Now we're going to use the hot chipotle one on a full rack. You guys ready for that? Because I'm most excited about this flavor that we're giving it a whole rack. Voila. And there you go. That thing's heavily seasoned, bound down with some mustard. These are DANO'S ribs right there. It's time to now treat the chicken before we take it all out and hang it in the smoker. First thing we're going to do, take the best gourmet seasoning you ever taste. Now this already has enough moisture from its own juices. I just drained it, but most of this seasoning will stick to this. Here we go. Here comes the lemon pepper. All right, guys, we're outside with the new Orion Cooker Bullet Smoker. And it's got the little hatch. And remember I lit the bottom? Remember how I lit the bottom right there in the vent? So what I've done is I have wood chunk down there and Kingsford match light. So I'll light the Kingsford match light, which will soon burn the wood chunk. So let's get it lit right now. All right, as you can see, we got the hooks in that. We got the hooks in the ribs. Oh, we forgot to do those. We got the hooks in those. And we got the hooks in the chicken over here. Yep. So now I just got to do that last rack I missed. And then we're taking it outside. So let's crack this open before we get to the DANO'S ribs. Here's all the DANO'S star of the show today. But let's open up this chicken really quick. Push them off to the side. We'll be talking about them in a minute. Okay. That looks beautiful. So let's take a piece of this and give it a try. We're going to try the chicken first. All right. Just take a small piece to break off the wing here and give that a try. All right, guys, remember what the seasoning was? It was lemon pepper and the best gourmet seasoning you'll ever taste. If you want to try that seasoning, go to thebestsauces.com. Here we go. Oh my goodness. That really came out amazing. You guys see the steam coming off this? I'm almost positive that's the hot one. Almost, I can't tell. I'll have to try it out, but it looks beautiful. You can see the bones sticking out. Gorgeous. So let's put that off to the side for a second. We'll try each one in a minute. Just want to show you what each one looks like. And they're just piping hot. Oh, these look amazing. And I think this is the original, I think. So we're going to put that off to the side. Wow, so juicy. Okay, so this is the one I predicted would be the best. I'll be honest if it's not. This is the hot chipotle one. Okay, this is the full rack. Look at that rack. Is that a rack? You guys ready? We're gonna start with the original one in the middle here and give it a try and see how it tastes. The original's good. I believe that original would be better on chicken. I really do. I should have used it on the chicken. But anyway, I tried them all on ribs, so let's go for it. Look how beautiful that is. That's still steaming. Yeah, we'll try that one later. All right, here we go. This is the hot chipotle. Very good. That one's good. I like that one. I think I like the hot one the best. The chipotle, the hot chipotle is good. The original is good, but the regular hot is the best for me. Real good. So we've tried the chicken, we've tried the ribs, DANO'S seasoning. I'll have a link down below if you want to grab yourself some. You can't go wrong with any three, but the original, I feel like it'd be better on poultry. The hot and the hot chipotle, definitely a home run on ribs. All right, guys? So, DANO'S seasoning, thank you guys for doing this, helping me do this video. It's all delicious. So, have fun with that. Barbecue season's on a roll.